In this video, I'll show you how you can change the time, the date, and the day on your Casio watch. So what you need to do is click on the bottom left button, and what that's going to do, it's going to change it to your alarm. Click it once more, it's going to change it to stopwatch. Click it once more, and the seconds is going to start flashing. Now, to reset the seconds, click on the button on the right, and that will reset it to 0, but it's going to keep counting up. Now what you want to do is you want to click on the button on the left at the top, and that's going to then cycle through these data points. So now you can see the one flashing is the hour. So we need to set this to the correct hour. And how do we do that? Well, we need to click on the button on the right. So every time you click on the button on the right, it will then increase the number. So for me, it is 12:22 p.m. So we'll keep going here till we get to 12. And remember, we're pressing the button on the right. Now what we need to do is we need to click on the button in the top on the left. And then that's going to flash the next data point, which is the minutes. Because mine is correct, actually it's changed now to 23, so I'm going to change it. Now we'll press the top left again. Now that's the month, so we are currently in November, that's correct. Then we'll press that again, and it's going to change here the date. So we are on the 24th of November, that's correct. Going to press it once more, and it's now going to flash the day, and it says Tuesday here, that's wrong. So we're going to click the right one, and we're going to skip through these. It's actually a Sunday as I'm recording this. Then once you're done, click on the bottom left button. There you go, so it's now 12:24 on the 11th of November on a Sunday. And that's basically how you do it. I hope that quick video was useful and did help you out.